1 month kitten is showing up his or her talent, making zoomies on his own. Hi, goldfish. Hi, 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 hi. Hafuf, kasikat na mo goldfish. Dadandada naman na goldfish, oy. Nidala dudana dud. Hi, 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 hi. Hi, goldfish. Hi, 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 goldfish. Hi. Don't baby, batat ang mamatit. Afaf. Hi, goldfish. He's the only one who's been playing. The others are sleeping over there. And he is the biggest of them all. Hi, goldfish. Hi. He has already eaten egg yolk. He has the most consumption. Hi, goldfish. Hi, little one. Hi. Hi. You play with goldfish, Ate Kinkin. Ate Kinkin, you play with goldfish. See? Goldfish is playing. Hi. Sikat talaga na to paminaw, eh. Okay. Do not punch, Do not punch goldfish, Ate Kinkin. Hi, goldfish. Hi, where are you going? Where are you going, goldfish? Hi, welcome to the world. Welcome to the world. You playing? You making zoomies? That's the first zoomies of your life. GB. Nah, here's the elder sister. Hi, goldfish. Hi. Where's Mama? Mama Dinding. That's a papa cat over there. There, that's a papa cat. Yes. Mama. And there's the mama cat. That's gay. You play with your son or daughter. You play. You playing with your child. I did licking a very sweet papa cat. Very sweet papa cat of Mama Kiss. Very sweet is a Papa, yes, oy.